snap the pinion, the screw.
You didn't say the word, and it's yours.
What's that, Performante? 71? 71?
Man, you know how I roll.
How much you want for it? So what's up, guys? Just want to say happy holidays to everybody. Hope everybody's out there being safe. You know, hope they got what they wanted for Christmas, or you know, whatever holiday you guys celebrate. Hope everything's going good, man. Just a little update video. This is gonna be a little small joint. Like I said, I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everybody. But just a little update. You know what I mean? I know I had a couple guys that seen my what video was at the Drew Hill Park video while I was running, and my man Corey, shout out to you, monster. He came up to me and was like, "Hey, go check this engine out." You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I just had to. I couldn't pass that up. You know what I mean? So let me show you what we got here. All right, so here we are. That's the 71 Performante. With a slight mod to it, because Corey's in the into you know, drags. So I believe he was gonna put this in his dragster, but he changed his mind. So I picked it up, man. You know what I mean? He gave me an offer. Actually, I mean, yeah, he gave me an offer that was just sick, so I had to get it. Right? So I figured, I don't know what I'm gonna put this joint into. You know, I got all these cars and everything around here, but everything is set. You know what I mean? Like, you know, I didn't have nothing to put it into. So you remember the RC Max was in here. We yanked the RC Max out. You know what I mean? That went out to my buddy Tony, that introduced me to everybody in the fifth scale world up in Baltimore and everything. So Tony got the RC Max 65, and we threw the 71 Performante in here. All right, so I just got everything in here, everything fitted, and I'm gonna tell you. And you can see right there. I'm gonna tell you now, to put this ALX in here, it's a little bit of work. You know what I mean? First of all, you got to go back. I can't even help me go to this side. So first of all, you got to go back. I don't know if you see, but the T90 is not in there anymore. So now this is the stock transmission. All right, so I went back to the stock transmission. It comes with its own clutch bell housing, clutch bell. ALX makes a pinion for it, and a middle gear. So there's no longer a step gear. Like I said, I'll get you some pictures up. So now you got the ALX pinion, you got the ALX middle gear, and then you got your slipper clutch gear. Same as the T90. You know, it's all upgraded parts, really. The only difference is there's no step gear. It's just a straight up, flat, you know, wide middle gear. So it keeps the ratio all the way through. All right. So next up, once you get all those replaced, so that takes the weak spot out of the transmission, other than the bearings. Now I have a set of bearings that I bought for this thing also, but these bearings were still fairly new, and they turned well, so I'm not even gonna sweat it. You know, I just left it alone. All right. So other than that, down here, once you put the clutch bell and the clutch housing and everything on this ALX, it shifts the whole engine about 17 mils forward. So now your engine mounts that used to be down here, or actually a little bit further back, are now, it shifts the engine forward. And with this RC Max Pro-Am chassis, you have these little ribs here. They kind of mess it up so it doesn't sit flat. So as you can see, I put a little bit of JB weld down here, shaped it up real nice so it has something to sit on flat, drilled that, And then we got it in there. All right, so here you can see the JB weld I had to put on here to make a platform, because when the engine set up here, the ALX engine moves the mounting point 17 millimeters forward. It was hitting on this rail slightly, but you know, I just wanted to make something a little more sturdier right there for it. So like I said, it was a little bit of work, you know what I mean, but nothing that we couldn't handle over here, right? Also, like I said, this thing is huge in here. Also, I made a little bracket down here for the exhaust hanger. Welded a little nut to the back of it, and then mounted in here, and you know, so that fits good. You know, everything can be, you know, unscrewed from the front right there with that that bolt. Everything fits in there. Plenty of you know what I mean, clearance. Got this nut right here. I think I'm gonna put that on the top and run a screw up from the bottom, because that kind of rubs a little bit right there when I hit jumps and everything in the cage flexes. But that's where we're at. Oh, what else we got? Like I said, as you can see, I cleaned it. It was filthy. Cleaned the cage, cleaned the whole truck. Doing a little bit of winter cleaning, baby. That's me right here, baby. Just getting it done. Some cleaning and some prepping. Getting it ready for its you know, its winter nap. Because like I said, I'm not taking this thing out anymore this winter. I might start it up just to hear that beast run. But other than that, you know, everything's back together, lubed, greased. I got the new Turtle Racing rear housing cover. All right. We also have the shaft, the rear drive shaft. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. You know, we got the rear drive shaft, because let me turn to this side. It was actually coming loose up underneath this tank, the stock one, and that had to go, because I've heard horror stories of this thing, that drive shaft coming loose and smacking that gas tank and causing holes in the gas tank and all that good stuff. So we yanked that off. Put the upgraded version on here, the CVDs. You know, upgraded version on there. Like I said, we just got it clean. She's looking good. I'm happy with the turnout of it. Like I said, a little bit of modifications to get that big boy up in there, but she's in, you know what I mean? And like I said, hopefully I'll get a video up for you guys so you can at least hear it start up. But like I said, I ain't running this thing until 2021. All right. So, also, we got some wheels coming for this thing. We got the 190 BRPs that we had on there, but I think I'm gonna go with the RC Maxes. I had a buddy on my large scale forum that ordered a set of the RC Maxes, but he ordered the BRPs adapter version instead of the hex version. So I went ahead and picked them up from him. So hopefully we'll get those in, and you know, we can have that thing looking right. So y'all stay tuned for that. All right. Also, what I've been working on. All right. So we got the Baja over here. It's doing this thing. Everything's back together on that. Like I said, I had the brake mount that came loose on it. Everything's red Loctite now. That's back down. I had like 3 or 4 engine mount bolts. I think it was 3 engine mount bolts, and the chassis plate stayed good. No problems with that. So I got everything back together, red Loctite, split washers to try and hold it up this time also. So that's all good to go. All right. Also, we got the dragster. All right. So I just got it mounted up here for now. Get it out of the way, because every time I was down here walking around, I had it on there and it just kept knocking into it. So little simple mounts up here. Like I said, that's some 3/4 rigid pipe and some pipe flanges, I think they call that, or floor flanges, I think they call these. So I got you know, drilled a couple 1/2-inch holes in the center block, and got two screws on there holding that up. Thread in the 18-inch piece of pipe, and I got some like insulation from work, so works good. Still waiting on damn BRP slicks for this thing, man. I ordered them things on October 30th. And they supposedly shipped finally. And I'm just waiting, man. Like I said, USPS, man, sucks. You know, don't nothing come on time anymore. But unless it's coming from the UK on a DHL shipment, those are the only things that come in on time. So this is in, all good to go. I got the 34 in here for now till I learn how to drive this thing. We'll go over this a little later. I still gotta get the pipe on it and you know, finish it up. But you know, it's just sitting there out of the way, up high. I'm happy with it. What else we got going on? All right, still got my, you know, I got the my track cars, my A scales. I still haven't even cleaned those yet, so they're just sitting up there in the bag. Right. Couple other things going on, but I'm not gonna make this a long video. Just want to say what's up to everybody. Shout outs to everybody out there. Hope everybody's having a good holidays, chilling with the family. I'll just see y'all next time, man. All right. Cool, so I'll see you, man.